Alright, now there remain three problems in the factors of carrying capacity of the human race on Earth. One thing is the factor of food. Like, people are constantly fighting over food. And then the other one is water. I mean, people in other countries around the world are fighting over water. And the final thing is the factor of carrying, the factor of the space.
So, food is one big factor. We need land to grow our food on. We also need water to grow our food on. The water is starting to become in short supply. And technology also has been able to let us further our ability to live around on the planet. But also the waste of our technology is making things worse. And if we were to instead of put more into solar energy instead of just putting as much technology as we can into getting fossil fuels ruining the earth, we could probably have lived safely by now. But now Earth is starting to get somewhat overpopulated. Like China, they're way too overpopulated. California is in a drought. They need water. We can use technology to make them more water, but it could also hurt other ecosystems around them. So, main question is, how many people can we support? If humans were to eat only as much as they need to, when they need to, and drink as much as they need to, when they need to, we could support at least 40 billion people. But if everyone on Earth was able to live like a middle-class citizen, eating what they want when they want, water, and ample supply of it, we'd probably only be able to support 2 billion people, and they probably wouldn't live too comfortably with the less amount of food, but still, life is getting harder, and just harder living spots, and, you know. Alright, land and comfortably living. There are a few examples of this. The rich live in massive homes that could support maybe 100 or like maybe 180 people, but only 2 or 3 people live in that area. Also, apartment buildings, they take up about as much space as a regular suburban home, and they can live, like 50 to 60 people can live in them. In a suburban home, maybe 6 or 7, which is not much, and Earth is becoming increasingly more suburban, even taking up our forests and places like that. That are also ruining ecosystems around, taking out animals and stuff. Like as you can see over there, you can see people
Basically just
busy
doing stuff.
Yeah.
Tearing up our planet.
Driving their cars all over the place.